And welcome back. Well, our next guest is an IT specialist by day and a black belt Taekwondo on her spare time. But Kori also had foot pain for a long time that she was ignoring until recently. That's when Kori turned to Stacey Roberts at New You Health and Wellness, and they're joining us live to chat about the steps to eliminate that foot pain and stay active. Good morning to you, ladies.
Hey,
Morning.
good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Stacey, you know I owe you a call because I need to schedule my appointment. You've got to talk about SoftWave because you've been here before talking about it, but a lot of people may have not seen it. What exactly is this technology that is like doing wonders for people?
So SoftWave is a type of shockwave technology. It's specifically broadly focused electrohydraulic shockwave. So what that basically means is it can dive the deepest into the body that any other shockwave device can, and it treats the widest amount of tissue. So what we're trying to do in this type of thing that you see here is we're trying to get those waves deep into the area where the inflammation is, because it does really, really well at modulating localized inflammation. So moving you from a pro-inflammatory phase where it hurts and it's sore to an anti-inflammatory phase where the body then can heal those tissues.
So you've done it on my foot here in studio. It does not hurt. There's, when you're getting it done, especially when you've got pain in a spot, you're really sensitive to trying something in that area. Kori, tell us a little bit about your experience trying SoftWave and what your ailment was, because it was your foot.
Yeah, so I started doing physical therapy, and then my physical therapist was able to dial it into not being plantar fasciitis so much, but actually deeper in called tarsal tunnel. So kind of like carpal tunnel, but in the foot. And so he said, we could recommend doing some kind of ultrasound type thing, but it's not going to go deep enough. And he said something about SoftWave Therapy, but he wasn't sure where there was one available here, locally. And during COVID, I just happened to have the morning blend on, actually.
Ah.
And I was watching that and just had it kind of in the background. And then all of a sudden, Stacey came on. They talked about SoftWave. I'm like, what? I looked up at the TV and there it was, my answer. And so I decided to, send in a phone call and just ask, okay, what can I try out? And, within, I think it was the first day after I had it done, just no icing the first day afterwards. And then the second day, it felt amazing. And we've done other parts too of my body, just from Taekwondo, but the foot was the biggest thing because, when you're doing Taekwondo, you're on your feet barefoot, and you've got to, be able to walk on your feet every day and just, it's painful. You don't want to do the stuff. And when you don't want to do something because it hurts, it just kind of snowballs. So I was able to get through, and every day, it just was better and better each time I would come see her. And now it's to the point where I can come once a month just for kind of a well check, and it's great.
That's pretty incredible. And Stacey, talk just a little bit about what this can treat, because obviously we're hearing like a plantar fasciitis or a little bit deeper. What kind of ailments are you treating with this? Because there's so many things it seems that it can really help.
Yeah, any musculoskeletal issue, so any joint that you think of that has arthritis or inflammation or tendonitis, muscle pain, nerve pain, it really, because it modulates inflammation and gets deep into the tissues, it can really handle any different parts of the body. And then we combine that with advanced physical therapy and manual therapy to take the trigger of the pain away. So that's why most of our patients get better, and for the long term as well, and then can stay active longer.
So what kind of treatments, or how many treatments, I guess? Because I mean, obviously, I'm thinking about, I've got this tennis elbow, I think that I'm dealing with, and I'm like, I got to get in and see you. And I think so many of us, we just live with these pains, and we kind of think, oh, we'll just let them go, and they don't get better. And we've got to get them getting better so we can get back on our feet or use our arms the way we're supposed to.
Absolutely. So 3 to 6 treatments is all you typically need for one area of the body. And at that second or third treatment, full treatment after the trial, you would be 50 to 100% better. So we know that this accelerates healing. Like, I've been a physical therapist for 34 years. Many of my patients got better just doing the physical therapy and manual therapy that I did before, but it might take 10, 12, 14, 15 visits. And that was pretty good. Now these patients are getting done in 3 to 6. So it's amazing. It accelerates the healing process.
That's pretty incredible. I mean, it truly is. And I know coming to see you, you'll go through a consultation, really see and assess the area of the body that's in pain, see if this is the right treatment. Is it true, Kori, that you just went to Disney and walked like 25,000 steps a day?
Yeah. So we just went to Disney. I did a treatment right before, about the week before. I brought 2 pairs of shoes with, and Sunday through Thursday, we went to all 4 parks and returned to one park, and we did 25,000 steps easily, probably in a day. And it was fun. It was cold, it was rainy, but we just did what we had to do to enjoy the parks. And yeah, it was a lot of walking, and I felt it other places. I was like, oh, this is interesting. And yeah, it was a blast, and I had no pain. I mean, it was great. So
Pretty incredible. And Stacey, I know you teach all over the country, and people really are seeing you as the leader in using SoftWave here in the country. And we've got it right here in our backyard. So I'm going to give all the information for everybody. Thank you for sharing your story, Kori, and good to see you, Stacey.
You too, Tim.
thank you.
Absolutely. And right now, New You Health and Wellness is offering a morning blend special for just $59. You're going to get a trial of SoftWave and a mini assessment to address that musculoskeletal issue that's going on for you. Just give a call at 414-299-8121 to see if your situation qualifies for the trial. You can make an appointment, and you can also email this address if that's easier for you. It's info@newyouhealthandwellness.com.